If uyalahla, they'll play a long ball. Niyazi nani, you don't have to win the first ball, but you must win the second ball. The first 2 minutes of the game, they did that, but still, we don't learn. Sifuna ukufunda ibhola seliphakathi nethini. Go outside, mfana kithi. Don't come, there's space this side. Don't come inside. Look what happens when you come inside. This is an easy pass. Pass the man. Whenever you want to cross, what do you want these guys to do? Like for Orbit College to survive. Yeah, some of you might think better or I'm just making jokes. Play 5 defenders, you play 5 midfielders. No strikers. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. If Orlando Pirates don't win the league, they'll never recover. Nakhumbula Kaizer Chiefs versus Zibaroka 1-1. They still haven't recovered. They lost the league in the last 15 minutes. Kaizer Chiefs, they still haven't recovered. Namanje sisakhuluma ngapha. If Pirates don't win the league, I still say they'll win it. But if they don't, they won't recover. Now going to the game. You have 2 games. You coach your Pirates. You have 2 games to get 3 points. The first game is the one that you can go all out. Even if you lose that game, you still have another game, the last game of the season, to get the 3 points. This Durban City played very well in terms of defending. But going forward, they were very poor. Like football is about attacking and defending. Can't just defend forward. Okay, they got what they wanted, which was the point. As the Pirates, why don't you take out 1 midfielder or 1 defender? Ufake a striker. Play not young, udlale no mahopa. Attack. Now you're going to the last game. Now you have to win that game. In this game against Durban City, just to get a win. Even if you still have the last game, you have a cushion. And now it's the last game, you have to win it. I think they'll win it, but let's start, right? I think they'll win the league. I'm not going to change. Now, Durban City, they played a 4-3-3 formation. What they wanted to do was the Pirates to go on the sides, right? On the sides. This is the 3-1-2-3, and then 1-2-3 here. But if they were defending, if the ball was in their own half, it became like a 4-5-1. Sometimes it became like a 4-4-2. The way they were so structured, it was brilliant. Now, Pirates is it's a 4-2-3-1. Now, from the first game of the season, this is what the Pirates they were doing. If uyalahla, they'll play a long ball. Niyazi nani, you don't have to win the first ball, but you must win the second ball. Poor cross lapaya from Uhoto. The whole season I've been saying, against the Pirates, you don't have to win the first ball, but you have to win the second ball because they are dangerous in those areas. When you are a small team and you play against a big team, especially in this big game where it was tense in a stadium, the problem with us as fans or as supporters, we are emotional. When we are watching the game at stadiums, we are emotional. Like instead of singing, because the moment Siba tense, the players can feel it as well. The Pirates supporters were not singing a lot, but coming to Durban City, what they did was very good, their structure. But sometimes the Pirates, there were moments where they were supposed to play the ball, the whole game. Sometimes even when they supposed to, let me come this side. When they're supposed to make an easy pass, they didn't make it. But let me show you how good Durban City was, right? Ball is on the right. If you see, look how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how they were defending these 2 lanes, right? One will always jump from the midfield, aphume. One will always jump from the midfield, aphume azela. What Pirates didn't capitalize on was the spaces that they would sometimes find. Normally they would find them between the two tens. In this game was Umfukengi no Apolis. Just gonna show you. There's one moment where there's space here. They wanna pass the ball. Sibelebele. They passed the ball to Sibelebele, but because of the touch was not good, Wenzani ugcina ubuyela emove. And he touched the ball siyaphambili because Umfukeng was this side, right? Now siyenzani sibuyele move. What happens? Abuyela back into shape. Because of what? You didn't control the ball. When you find space, you have to turn. Now again, Usibelebele is Ugupi. He's playing in the pockets. He turns, he doesn't pass him the ball. You have to, when a team is well structured, you have to find the holes. You have to find the holes. You have to pass. You could have passed the ball here, but he doesn't pass. Bola libuyela kuphi? Libuyele move. Eventually kuzoyenzakalani bazoba pressure ibhola liphumele ngaphandle. Because they didn't plan for the Pirates. Normally what they will do, they would play the long ball, a diagonal pass to Uhoto or to the striker. In this game, they didn't do that enough. That was one thing that was surprising. I think the past 3 games, the Pirates moved away from their playing structure. Not playing structure, but their game plans, right? In playing the ball long. How many times do China Petty baller in this clip, but he doesn't play the ball long? On the left hand side, bayaba pressing come from the right hand side, ibhola liphumela ngaphandle. In the past 3 games or so, even against the Chiefs, they were not playing those long diagonal pass to Hoto or to the striker to flick them, and then they win the second ball. They didn't do that. Most Orlando Pirates supporters, or let me say most fans, we all know the Pirates likes to take a short call. But I don't understand these teams, these professional teams. Pirates takes a short corner, but we only send 1 player. They send 2 players, Tina we send 1. They send 3, we send 1 or we send 2. Oh my daughter. Oh my daughter. Watch. Umfukeng is telling Utito, come there, Mfanagiti. He's telling, come la. There's 2 of them, there's 1. Look how many Pirates, they hardly cross. The moment you see them Bazala, they are going to play it short. Then you have Apolis on this side. Look how many players. Nitwele Poxi. Let me show you another one. They send 2, you send 2. But there's a third guy here. The first 2 minutes of the game, they did that. But still, we don't learn. Sifuna ukufunda ibhola seliphakathi nethini. If they send 2, we send 2. If they send 3, we send 3. Kanti sifuna ukufunda seba celebrate lapha ekhoneni. Ukuthi kube bafethu. We have to communicate as a team. We can't sleep on duty. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Look how many Pirates players are here. Okay, Usibelebele Upegele is not facing the ball. Tito is not facing the ball. But he knows what he's doing. He's looking. No one is close by. He makes a run. People are sleeping on duty. Amara now Hoto ndoda Amara. You can't even pass. Bafethu noma sekushiwe. Now Hoto. Look how much space there is here between these guys. You can't pass the ball. You could have passed the ball here, but you decide to chip the ball. You can't chip the ball. Sleeping on duty. Professional players sleeping on duty. Let me take it back. I want you to watch this. Let me take it back. Now, if free kick your Pirates, this guy uphume benchini. Uyamdlula uTito. Bheka boy 3 bayale. Sleeping on duty. Mara bafethu nina mara. Pirates almost scored. Sleeping on duty. We can't be sleeping. Yini mele silanda ama-security azodlala or nina niyoba ama-security. Football is a game of small details. Passing the ball here instead of passing the ball here in crucial areas, it makes a huge difference. Now watch. Pirates is attacking. Pirates is attacking. Good defending. I don't know who to Bonil, but I'll show you. Small details. Instead of passing it, phambi kwakhe u-Police ulipasa kuphi? Emove. Ulipasa emove. Imagine had he passed the ball there, Utito maybe could have done something better. But because of he's a smart player, a brilliant player, they pass it on his right foot, he turns. Right? Just like that. One movement. He turns with the ball and then Wasamu cross. Brilliant defending here. But that small mistake of passing the ball on the right foot instead of passing it on the left foot, for me, it made a difference here. It made a huge difference there. Huge difference. I know a lot of you guys, Pirates supporters, are disappointed, right? But they tried. To be honest, they tried. Because they couldn't penetrate Durban City. That's why they were taking long range shots. Right? This was one of them. Alwina, they go on an attack. Take a shot. Maybe our police could have done better by not coming inside. Let me take it back. Maybe our police could have done better by giving Mfukeng an option, because by him going there, you are not giving him an option, right? So Yenzani ends up taking a shot. There are certain things that I've been saying, I've been preaching, I've been singing the whole season. As someone who's in a better position than you, it killed the Pirates in this game. I don't know who will kill them for the league, right? But I still say they'll win it. Now, here Usbelebele has a chance. Don't be a hero, my friend. Pass the ball to someone who's in a better position. President plays the ball very nicely. He decides to take a shot. Pass to a police in Panagiti. Passa. As using to people see them later. Or what I've said before. Ne? Okay, let me play it. What I've always said, when you win games and there are certain things that are wrong, if you are happy in a win, you must also be happy in a loss, right? There's always wrong things that need to be rectified, like passing someone in the right position. Just because you win a 3-0 doesn't mean good now pass. When it's a draw or when we lose, we want to complain about those things. One thing that Pirates didn't do a lot was to rotate the ball. Rotate in Panagit. I sugelega right, yega left. Isugega left, isega right. They didn't do that enough or a lot in the first half. They didn't do that because when you rotate the ball, space is yavule. Munege and Panagit. Asian Matot. Rotate the ball, Panagit. There's two this side. Yeah? Because manje isn't Z10s. Now we want to shoot. The game was tense, everyone wants to be a hero. No, Buffet. Everyone who backs camp. No, rotate the ball. Izovuleka. Angithi ivulekile la, yavaleka ngithi. Sharp. Ayele mfanakithi. Munikete. Okay, sharp. I'll munikate. Now look here. Tito is all alone. Always find someone who's in a better position than you. That's what Pirates failed to do in this game, especially first half. Munikete mfanagiti, I move. Second half. Into ngikhala ngayo mina, coach Pirates. Whether it's it's green, blue, purple, will always play the same formation. That's the only thing in Kalanga. This game is supposed to put in 2 strikers. Just go for a win, Panagit. Just go for a win. We have to give credit. As much as you guys are disappointed Pirates didn't win, but you still have to give credit to Durban City. Whenever they made a mistake, Uvulegi space, but they rectified it very nicely. A squasher in. Pirates on an attack. Now, there was space here, but there's no one there. Everyone is rushing. Everyone is rushing. Everyone is rushing. Tito is rushing there. Doesn't get it. Okay, sharp. Now let's keep the ball. Rotate the ball. Angit. Rotate. There's space here. They are sleeping it even seat. Angit. Space there. They give it to Mfukeng. Touch was bad. But watch what happens here. Apolis gets the ball. Look how many players are next to him. Look how many players are next to him. Look how many players are next to him. You have to give credit. People can complain no maganja, ne? But you can't go pound for pound in the Pirates as a Durban City. They had to come up with a way. Yes, it's boring, sharp, but they got what they wanted. In the second half, there were moments where Mfukeng should have passed Afunuksha, right? He was trying, so I won't go hard. I understand. I mean, I understand this game, guys. This game was a very difficult game. Everyone wanted to be a hero. Aksu pair. So in this one here, keep it simple, right? Keep it simple, Mpanagit. He's looking for this space. He's looking to pass here. And he doesn't pass here, Valega, then we are forced. Play. Let me take it back. Play on the side. We are forced a difficult pass. You have to keep it simple. He tries to pass there. It ends up whoopee. It ends up here. Now look at the Durban City guys. Not giving him room. You have to pass the ball, Mpanagit. Pass it. Durban City defended very well. Ball is going to come back into the box. Watch how many players are around. Watch how many players are around here. 6 players. Very good defending. Very good defending. You all with college, if they want to survive, they must play 5 defenders, 5 midfielders, no strikers. Decision making. Thing isn't up. Decision making, Mpanagit. Here, Mfukeng, he wanted to score. Ne? Photo and these crosses. Hey, okay, they saved it. Now, want you to watch something. Comes inside. Look how many players there. Bad decision. Let me show you why. There was space on the outside. He decides to come inside. Bad decision. Yes. Now, you remember, if it's your first time watching, there's a video that I did when it comes to one-on-one matching. If a defender is standing like this, he's saying to you, go there. But this guy is giving Mfukeng too much space on this side. Too much. This is bad defending. And Mfukeng should have capitalized. He should have pushed the ball. Boom. You push the ball, this guy won't tackle you anymore. Then muscle figure, then you can decide between pass. But one thing to come back inside here, look how many players are waiting for you. They are waiting, they want to strangle you. Eh? Go outside, Mpanagit. Don't come, there's space this side. Don't come inside. Look what happens when you come inside. Amashaka said and he said, Wala, should have went outside because there was space outside for you. After the deal, then you do whatever that you want. Decision making. Now Pirates iyadlala iyaphuma. Now I want you to tell me, Uhoto, what was he thinking here? Awu wabana mara Hoto lwena mfana kithi wena muna wena sometimes walaphisa muna. Sometimes batho ba ubuela and then ugcina wetsa dintho tse so. Pass the man here, pass the man. If you cross the ball there, like ufuna ukuthi abantu bayenzeni, like just think about it, guys. You pass the ball there, you cross the ball. Ufuna labantu laba bayenzeni ibhola lisemoyeni. This is an easy pass. Pass the man. Whenever you want to cross, what do you want these guys to do? Like yini ufuna ukuthi bayenzeni? Awu mara muna wena Hoto munai. Pirates didn't rotate the ball enough the whole game. In this game, in this last clip, they rotate the ball and then they end up taking a shot. Rotate the ball. Ball from the right hand side, it's gonna come to the left. Then it's gonna go to the right hand side. What we want space here, guys. We want space. You see, there's space here, there's space here, there's space here. If they shift, space is gonna open somewhere else. That's what we want. You have to rotate the ball. Look, space takes a shot. Yes, he was too far. Mara, you rotate. They didn't do it enough. Our fate. If Pirates loses the league, oh Jehovah, I feel sorry for the Pirates fans. If you're Orbit College, I repeat, for Orbit College to survive, yeah, some of you might think better or I'm just making jokes. Play 5 defenders, you play 5 midfielders. No strikers. You might get a point. Please like Buffett. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.